Ngiyogqokani? Oh my gosh, ngiyogqokani? Sivistena next engizoyigqoka. Oh, really? No, too girly. Oh, it makes my bum look so big. Oh, it's so engaga. No. While I was having a wardrobe ball, Mama was practically worshipping her new client. 60.
What? 60? No, 55. I'm gonna be fine.
Sure.
Smaller. Smaller, yeah.
O ka thabela juice ka potee ka po cold drink. Ka pa hola pele o re ka etsa something else that didn't bling se fela. Le Joyce jo o shapa massage.
No, you know, it's fine. I'm gonna go to the Saxon later. I'll be okay. Thank you.
Okay.
The Saxon.
Do it. I love your hair.
Finally. Goodbye, panty lines. Hello, Sister Cool. Oh, yeah.
Welcome to my world, my life, my family, my friends. My highs, my lows, my ups, my downs, my future, who knows? My dad, pretty laid back. Oh, mama want me always on my case. My sister, pain in the Oh, my little, there's a busy bodela. My girl, who knows modela? Who's got no choice? They come with the package. Ishwi Amfora. A JJ, love my life. This is my story. This is my diary. This is how it goes. Sandega's diary.
So, we were in the Caribbean here. This one here, my absolute favorite, in London.
You? Uyabonakala abantu banguzonwabele sana. You?
Kakhulu, it was totes amazing.
Lol. King. Formal. Phela rona re tla se bua ntho tsenang le botseo. You? Hayi sisi uthi formal yenze ntoni? Joyce. Ntho tse ke ntho tsa rona, you know. Boma hashtag young at heart.
Hey, sanibonani. No babe, lalela juba lami. Ngicela ukuthi namhlanje ungenzele lo madam Khodu, ne? Faka yonke into. Ipaisi, ma-onion.
Yini leshonile?
Inkomo. Inkomo thina. Angizazi into ezimnandi yazi. Yo, namhlo.
My goodness. You know, Uncle Uguti, you're actually going to cook that.
You know wife duties. Choice to lose.
Makoti, bengicela ungayinelele libhlobo lami. Wow. Hello. My name is Mangoba, aka Mbube.
Okay.
The fantastic.
All right. I'm Katlego, aka Mrs. Maluleka.
Oh, Maluleka. Okay, indodakazi kaMaponya.
Yeah, that's my dad.
Uyazi ukuthini? Mina nobaba wakho besizwana. Wena ubona iprima stove. Kanye nebhodwe. Welcome to my home. But again, I wish you call me Q. Because ladies like you, they call me
Malume. Malume, kung gusto tila hanyana fela. Are busy. Eish. Asa wakit siguro uso ay nang mutlaning.
Aw, sisi ayinguwo kanti umntonzi ayinisho.
Sandega's diary.
Daddy? How old are you?
I'm 21.
Papa? What's your face?
Yazi wena man.
Tandega, what do you have for lunch?
Nothing.
Daddy?
Chocolate chips, nama sweetie, and you can totally have it.
Kande. Wazala. Ya ugqoke phansi kwejazi singibona.
Ugqokele la short end lo ngithengela yona.
Ya thingibone ke.
Ha?
Singibone le short end. Beka. Yes. Yini ngithi? Kokubeza sisi. When you late for the school? Hey, nakho kunye. Esikoleni nje. Uyaphuma nje esikoleni. Mangifuna indaba Thandeka. Hamba change. Hayi. Ene wena, angifuna ugqoke njengosisi wakho sezwana.
Mara papa, Beyonce was that very so.
Beyonce la. UBeyonce lo join le boy ephumule enkulu one KZ. You boy is in the building lana. Hey, uThandeka ufuna shada ama lawyer mina, ama doctor. Abantu abaright abafundile. In the building, bese yawa lo building. Isheke. Kwenziwani ke ngathi abagqokanga? Abantu bayasha ke manje. Ngene ezulwini ushile. Awudlo zokubheka nje ushile.
They ain't show anything, but Nombuza, what? Are we gonna do something about this outfit, or are you gonna walk around looking like an anorexic double HP?
You tell me when I tell me what we can do about this outfit. You tell me.
Something like. Ish. Angazi Let's go back. What?
And now, what can we do double H?
Something like this. Bum shorts. Wasn't that the plan?
Yeah, that was the plan, but I think it's Katelechile. This is my Sunday jean, and I was at Bangangulala.
Ooh. Mangasilo Timono and Astella no Pumba like it. Akuna Matara.
So?
Nipila so scared of my team.
Oh, tell me, Mina. Imagine.
Okay, honey. Great. No, don't order for me yet. I'll be there as soon as I can, okay? Just get ready for me. We're going to have a great time. Bye, honey.
Ooh, it sounds like a bit night, ne?
Oh, no, just a couple of friends of mine and I meeting for some sundowners later.
Suka, tell him that.
Aye. Box. Okay, well, I am feeling a bit thirsty now, if you know what I mean.
Don't worry. Kataka juice. What's working? Joyce would lamata. I suppose I'll get a cool drink.
No, I'm not talking about cool drink. And maybe, I'm sure you have some Chardonnay or champagne, wine. It is, after all, a Thursday.
Hi, gallows. I saw the little bit. Man, nah. Ha. But I'm not my man is liberal.
You? Okay.
Hey. And then, kan kwenziwani endlini manje? Ngithenzela umkhoda mithi. Namanje umkhoda kwenu kwenziwani kanti?
I beg. I beg uzozibhekela umkhodu. Futhi mina umkhodu uyanginyanyisa.
Hey, nakho kusho. Unesonyanyisa umkhodu ngoba sekungalama yellow bone nalama weave abane growth. Sisi, Sasa ngona manje. Cela ungenzele favor. Ngizela umkhodu wami ufake ebhodweni, ufaka ama-onion nama-green pepper. Unake nomntwana. Wena kuntwana.
Sis. Oh, my goodness.
Ay, iska war. What's up, big? Kita monza. Ekana kuma pusa Thursday.
Around 4 o'clock, why?
Okay, read that. And then regono tsamaya.
I mean, are you sure you want to do that? Inganyako is sick.
Iska war.
And then you have to cook the mokhodu for your husband.
Shh. Nana mkhodu. Oh, sick.
All right, then. Well, you would have to change because there's no way we're going out with you looking like that.
Kita change. Ta-da! Oh, sis. No, Jim Lindy, to-do. Pela jano. You're on trend, jano.
Tell me, does your liberal husband also buy impahla zakho for wena? Nah, fam.
Yikes.
Ja, goed.
Ma,
Box. Kjøre kille. Kjøk. So,
Let's go.
Yeah. What's awesome, friends. My parents are gonna kill me. Never, Johnny. Never. Your job is about hard to you. It's looking so good. and I think you're going to show.
Never told me panting out December. Like, baba.
This is my story. This is my diary. This is how it goes. It's a nigga's diary.
Munya.
Chomi, nangisebenza lephuko lincane kakhulu.
No, Chomi, I know, but ngiphathele something.
Uphathile yini?
Ngithole ku-Lost and Found.
Ufuna ugqoka into efana ku-Lost and Found.
Come on, Chomi, come on. Ngithi ngiyakusiza lana, woza.
Ngiphume mina.
Chomi, come on, ngicheckile ne-coast yonke into grand iphuma.
Akunamuntu lapho usho.
I'm sure. Piabo? Kalisnye.
Yeah, engivala ngaphambili kodwa what about emuva?
Ah, Chomi, when I move, you move. Ah, just like that.
Oh, I should have never trusted you.
So it's not too bad, but you can do better, eh? There.
But
Go sit. December.
Yes, sir.
You need to pull up your socks. That cute face of yours is not going to get you everywhere.
Sir, don't worry about me. You see me, I'm going to be an actress, sir.
You still need to read your lines. So learn to read. AJ.
Yes, sir.
You're not as dumb as you look, eh?
I enjoy it.
There you go.
Yo,
Thank you. Chandeka. Once again, top of the class. Come on, give a hand. Yes, give a hand. Come, take it up. What's wrong? You need to go to toilet. Come on, hurry up. Take it. Okay. Dish left.
This is indecent exposure. Kaneka, please go to the principal's office. Take your things and go. Okay, enough. December detention for you.
Sir, how come? It's Tandega that's not dressed, not me.
I will not have this disruption in my class. Enough.
this is outrageous.
Now you listen to me, Gwebus. And you listen very well.
Okay.
Because I won't be repeating myself. You will not be calling my parents. In fact, you will not be calling me here ever again. Do we understand each other? How's about you call your parents and tell them that you just got a beat down from a little girl? Call them. Speak to your mother. Where's your mother now? Gwebus?
Sir, please don't call my parents. Please.
Zulu, 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 Zulu. Foxtrot Alpha Bravo.
Mbube!
Hayi makoti. Makoti yena uqokeni. Kwenzekani?
Ke mose nje?
Musi nje iskipa leso.
How now understand Mbube? Kyatla! Mamela, I'm going out.
Uya umtshelile ubheke ukuthi wena uyahamba uyale ngaphandle ngeyikhipha.
Akuxobuka hulu wena because never understand.
Manje umhwathi lo uzopheka obani?
Deal with
Kodwa
it.
makoti uyazi ukuthi wena ukwazi ukupheka lento. Wena wena upheka kamnandi umhwathi uma uphekile.
What's that? Newo. Amucha. Harate mkhodu. ga a rate monkgwa mogodu ebile ga a je le mogodu
Ma, what's your camera, Ma?
se ka bara ngwana ka thande ka o tseleng anyway o tshwara ke sefubanyana fela se sennyane se tla fora
Okay, then you have to leave with a little something.
little something like eng
Chelete, Ma.
for eng
Okay, go botsa tshwana ka gore wena o apere
oh sha sa tlo blackmail le motho je wa tseba ke itse ke atla okay tlamehile o ya ka pelenyana
ke bazothandeka manje hayi wena hayi ngiyakubekela
Malu.
Hey Charles, bengithi ngizokucheka ukuthi njani.
Wena mawucabanga njani?
I'm sorry friend. Bengacabangi ukuthi kuzoba kushane kangaka. Ngithengele cold drink.
Shanika, washe la. Ngizabilisa amanzi.
Malu, I think the smell is making my food worse.
Yazi uthini? Mongaqala njengamanje, uyiwashe lona. Uzobona. Sosheshe siqede. Uqale manje. Eish, ingane zanamhlanje. Sizehlala ezicomplete. Ay.
Go. Malume.
Ufuna?
Ukhona uPrapex.
Akekho.
Uma olady.
Naye akekho.
Okay.
Yini kwenzekani ngawo? Kahle kahle ufunani la? Wena ngabe uzontshontsha la. Wena ngiyazazi izinto zakho oyibhemayo lapha next door lapha kini.
Malume, ngitshelile ngathi isnefa ngithi malume. Angiyela kanje malume. Mnandi. Malume ngiyabona. Yo. Nikumholi malume. Kwenzakalani uyosha ipoto vele?
Angishaya ipoto siyapheka mina nomshana wami. Yini manje wena ungenaphi?
Okay malume. Hayi, sobuya mina.
Hayi, ungabuyi.
Okay malume. Bengithi ngiyayipepa ngithi amanje.
Beka, upeta.
Malu, I can't do this anymore. This smell, it don't polite.
Khipha amatshe wonke uwabeke ngapha eceleni wonke amatshe and then uyiwashe lo nto soyithatha siyifake la siyipheke uma bafike bahle.
Akunani usiku angene ngiphi ikhale kahle.
Ufunani manje?
Malume ngibonile ukuthi wena ngiyabheda le ndlini awunama spice ngibonile shaya inyama ngetswayi wena malume.
Ziningabi ispice like umakoti uyazithenga asifuni spice. Yeah, yabona. Yeah. Khona ihlala la. Uyazi uthini? Mhlawumbe sinikeze ezithu.
Ukhethe malume.
Ubheke uzokunika imali mayifika.
Angathuki malume ukhethe.
Awukhethe Shanika.
Yeah. Get.
Cousin.
Yabo.
Cousin spice.
Yeah.
Une choice mshaka. Uzazi ngesigisu, ha?
Sathana lesi amafishi lezo enza umholi ngathi fish.
This is my story. This is my diary. This is how we go.
Hey, kwenzenjani? Kwenzenjani? Ngihlolo.
Bye.
Thanda ngibhiza ngama-engine lapha kwenzenjani ngibizelwana?
Ngoba ngithi wena ekuseni ngongafuni ukuthi ngiphume ngale mpahla bengisigqokile.
And then?
And wonke umuntu la esikoleni bekangihleka. Nosipho uzungibiza u-anorexic devil HP.
Ngani? Manje kwenzenjani nalo?
Manje mina noSihle sesayenza iplan.
Iplan lani? Ethi ngibona iplan sisi. Thande. No imhlelo yami okokanga mswena. Hey. Hayi wena. Uba nonto enkulu athola ibhetri.
Thande. Elo jwale senze re kenya disitama ka utoskolo. Yini zona tse? Batho ngithandeka. Hawapara mos. Mama kuthi ugqokirwa kwalami.
Like angitshela, why ufuna umntana explain ukuthi nawe ugqokanga? Wenzakala nje. Sokhuluma yini? Bewuyashayina nje. Wami stadium nje. Nawe uyaphuma endlini nje. Wena ibhuku yimi ngomkhaba ngaphandle, nekiss ngifaka ishort, yimi lo yakho ubhuku estadium. Uzoba right now. Nifuna nibaphuna mosini. Right. You. ngabelungu nizokuchoza ngabelungu man. Hey yabona ayibala man. Sit. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Van Tonder.
Hlala phansi, hawu. Silethe uwa ngiglasi.
This is very, very disappointing, Mr. and Mrs. Zulu. I mean,
We are so sorry, Mr. Van Tonder.
Hey, yilumlungu ngicela ukukhuluma. Mr. Van Tonder, sorry, sir. Please continue, sir.
You know, this is a place of education. And our code of conduct clearly states that you cannot.
Me and my family do not condone such...
Hey, awume man. Hayi man. Mr. Van Tonder, Mr. Dondi. Please continue, sir. I apologize.
If you and your family will allow these minis and the shorts and the short minis and the mini short, it can't happen here.
Oh, you're talking about this? This year was just for a special occasion.
And I was not part of the special occasion.
Yes, well, maybe you should be part of all the occasions, Mr. Zulu. You see what I mean, eh?
Yeah.
Yes, what do you have to say for yourself, Tandeka?
It's not my parents' fault. It's my fault. I didn't walk out the house looking like this.
Yes, well, we've got to make sure that these kind of mistakes, whatever, don't happen again.
It won't happen again, so I promise.
But, well, unfortunately, this has to be an official recorded warning. You see, because behavior like this cannot go unpunished or taken lightly. So this is your official warning, officially.
Thank you, Mr. Van Tonder. Mr. Van Tonder, please, I really apologize on behalf of my family.
Yeah, we are really...
Hey, I'll too.
Yes, all right, well, dismissed.
Thank you, Mr. Van Tonder. Dondi.
Goodbye, Mrs. Zulu.
Goodbye, Mr. Van Tonder.
Yabona? Hawu. Ungichoza ngabelungu manje. Hayi. Hawu.
Mama. Most misele ngalo mkhodu ne?
Tandeka.
Lebo malum. Ke no itseng today. O batla go pheya mkhodu. Malume go mapela. Ba go wena mkhodu.
Thank you, Shani girl. Thank you, Makoti.
Madam, don't take all the credit. Rappel and I helped you.
Well, I'm not good.
Madam, I washed it nicely. Give me some credit.
Hayi mara puta hayi guy. Awulimaza ipoto la.
Too much. Yawuthanda umnandi.
Yakho. Ayisuka.
Ayikuhleka mawuthandile ngoba ukolotha usigo.
Ngikholwa usigo yini?
40 rand.
Yini?
Hey, bhayiso.
Nejabulu.
Uyazi usigo yamazeka.
Hey, I got into a lot of trouble for trying to fit in. And it turns out that Umama's not too old for peer pressure. Mkhodu malume, on the other hand, let's just say it had after effects.
Somebody!